Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you what is hands down the easiest way to extract frames from a video. No complicated settings, no technical hassle, just simple and fast results. Let me walk you through it. First, simply click the Upload button and select the video you want to work with. Once it's loaded, click the Folder button to choose where you'd like to save your extracted frames. If you skip this step, the app will automatically save them to your Downloads folder. On the left side, you'll see the extraction settings. The default mode already gives you a great selection of frames, but you can easily adjust it to extract more or fewer frames depending on your needs. You can also choose your preferred image format right there. As soon as the video is uploaded, the frames will appear on the right side of the screen. From here, you can preview any frame and save individual ones you like. Another really handy feature is the manual capture option. Just play the video, pause at the exact moment you want, and click the Capture Frame button to instantly save that specific frame. When you're happy with your selection, simply click the Extract All Frames button at the bottom right to save everything at once. Once the process is complete, you can head straight to your chosen folder and find all your high-quality frames ready to use. This has to be the simplest and most user-friendly frame extractor I've used so far. It's perfect for content creators, designers, or anyone who needs quick access to video frames. The software is called FrameEcho, and if you want to try it yourself, the link is down in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.